Well, it's time to give a quick revision to the grammar. Whatever you people have learned, it is time to revise once again all the basic rules so that while speaking you commit less mistakes or, in fact, no mistakes. What do we understand by grammar? Grammar is the basic structure of language, be it English, any other foreign languages, or even the vernacular languages which are spoken in India. When we talk about grammar, the very first segment is the parts of speech. Because in order to frame a sentence, you need to understand the different parts of speech. Noun, all the naming words, pronoun instead of noun, verb, the action words, adjectives, which describes, and then the other connecting words such as conjunction, preposition, which talks about the position, interjection, as well as the adverb. Now, when we talk about sentence structure, it is very important to know that there is a subject, there has to be certain object, and the connecting word between the subject and object is the action or the word which describes it. So, therefore, while speaking, try to think what exactly you want to communicate. What is the subject or who is the subject? And accordingly, what is the object with which you are willing to connect? Once when you are going to think on these lines, it becomes very easy to draft or to frame the simple sentences. For example, Neeru is a teacher. Similarly, you are willing to improve spoken English. All these are the different parts of speech. But unless and until you do not think what exactly you want to communicate, it is very difficult for us or for you or me to speak confidently, correctly, and conveniently. So, give a food for thought and then try to create these simple sentences as sooner as possible. Happy learning to you all.